Assuring the quality of your applications is critically important to your customers and reputation, but it can also be a time-consuming and challenging activity prone to inconsistent testing, code coverage, and issue detection. GitLab Duo with Amazon Q enhances quality assurance with agentic AI capabilities. It can generate comprehensive unit tests to accelerate your QA processes. As a developer, you can select an entire new Java class you have added to your project via a merge request. And then invoke Amazon Q by entering a quick action as an issue comment. Amazon Q analyzes the selected code and generates any missing unit test coverage for the proposed new class, ensuring optimal code coverage and consistent testing so that issues can be detected before deployment, thus enhancing the quality of your applications so you can develop software faster.